Good morning. In our previous session, we have discussed about arrays. Now in this session, let us discuss about strings. After going through this session, we should be able to understand about strings IO, string manipulation, and two-dimensional array of character type. In this session, we will study about string concepts, string input-output functions, and some programs on strings. In our next session, let we discuss the remaining part of the strings concept, array of strings and string manipulation functions. A string is a collection of characters that are enclosed with double quotation. A string can also be called as an character array. Inside the double quotations, any acceptable character from the character set can be present. In case of numeric arrays, there is no special character to indicate the end of an array. Only we have to use limit to travel in the numeric array. But in character array or string, the null character \0 will indicate the end of the string. Usually, the null character will be appended automatically at the end of the string by the compiler. Now let us see the declaration of a string. A string variable is any valid C variable name and is always declared as an array. The syntax of declaration of a string variable is character, string name, square brackets. Within the square brackets, we are going to mention the size. The size determines the number of characters in the string name. So here the size says about the number of characters in the string name. Let us see character, string name, length. So here the string name is any valid name. So it cannot be a keyword and it should follow the rules of the identifier what we have learned in our previous sessions. So here char name of 10. So here name says the variable name and 10 indicates the size of the string. So the maximum letters of the string including \0 null character. So here char name of 5. Here if you see here maximum number of characters it can hold is 5 including \0. So here in the above example single character variables are name of 0, name of 1, name of 2, name of 3, name of 4 and the string variable is name. So here the name is name itself. We'll have 4 values and in the fifth name of 4 we will be having \0, that is the null character. An array of characters is also called as a string variable since it can store a string and it emits us to change the contents. In contrast, a sequence of characters enclosed within a pair of double quotations is also called as a string constant. So here we can see that we have enclosed Newtons within the double quotations, Macharla within the double quotations, whereas in the case 1, we have mentioned the size 20. So maximum number of characters what we can put into this string is 20. Of course, here we have only 7 characters, but since \0 null character also need to be included, so here the name size will be 8. Here, whereas coming to name, here I have not mentioned the size, but it will take the size as 9 because Macharla consists of 8 characters and 1 for the null character \0. So total number of characters is 9. So automatically the compiler will say the size of this particular name is 9. Initialization of a string. The syntax of initializing a string variable has 2 variations. In first variation 1, character string 1 square brackets 8 is equal to curly brackets N E W T O N S \0. So here the total length of these newtons is 7, and with \0 null character, total size is 8. So here st1 is declared to be a string variable of size 8. It can store maximum 8 characters. So here the initializer list consists of comma. If you can see here, it consists of comma separated by character constants. Note that the null character \0 is clearly listed. Here we are mentioning \0. Whereas in coming to the variation 2, the syntax is char str2 9 Macharla. If you can see that this Macharla is represented in double quotation and the length of Macharla is 8, but the size is counted to be 9 because there is one more character, that is \0, which is automatically included. So here str2 is also declared to be a string variable of size 9. It can store maximum 9 characters including the null character. In this variation, null character \0 will be automatically added to the end of the string by the compiler. So here in both of these cases, in either of these cases, the size of the array can be skipped. So there is no need of mentioning this 8 and 9. Even if you are not going to mention this 8 here and 9 here, automatically what will happen is the compiler will initialize the value. The compiler will be supplying the size to this particular string 1 and string 2. Initialization of a string. Char ch of 10 is equal to a p t l e \0. The same thing can be represented as char ch square brackets of 10 is equal to apple apple within double quotations. In the above example, first character a stored in the ch of 0 and second character p stores in ch square brackets 1 and so on the character array ch. After storing all the characters into the array, the compiler attends a null character to the array. The null character is represented as \0. The character array with null character \0 is known as a string. The null character specifies the end of the string. So how it will be stored means it will be stored in this particular form. So there is no separate data type given by C for declaring string variables. So you can only represent it as an array of characters, but you cannot, there is no separate data type like string. So they can be declared using character data types only. To print the string on the monitor, we can use printf command. The format specifier to print the string is %s. So here, let us see in depth the string input output functions. So here we have, we will see the first variety. One is scanf and printf. So here the scanf is used to accept the string through the standard input keyboard. The syntax of its usage is as follows: scanf, brackets open, double quotation, %s, close the double quotations, comma, str, close the brackets, semicolon. What it will do, it will accept a string into str up to a white space character, that is either a blank space, new line character or tab space. So the null character \0 will be automatically appended to the string. So the size of str is thus expected to be large enough to collect even the null character. Here %s is the format specifier for the string. Note that str is not preceded by the symbol ampersand. So here in the scanf, we are not using the ampersand symbol. This is because the string variable name str itself gives the address of the string. Okay, let us see the example. Char str square bracket 6 scanf percentage s str. Suppose if you are giving the input hello space world, what it will do, it will not take hello space world, hello world, it will not take, it will only take hello would be taken into the str because the size is 6 and here we are getting one blank space. So HELLO 5 letters and one for backslash 0. For example, if I want to take both hello and world, then what I need to do is I need to one hello would be taken, only hello would be taken by str. Any subsequent scanf to accept the string would read the string word. So to read this word, again we need to use another scanf and another string. For example, char str1 of 6, str2 of 6, scanf, see here, percentages, comma, str1, str2. So first str1 for this percentage f, so second str2 is percentages. So what is percentages? Percentages is nothing but it is the print value for a string. So if the input is hello world, hello would be taken by the str1 and world would be taken by the str2. Now let us see the syntax for printf. So here the syntax for printf is what the printf statement will do. It will display the string constant in str and percentage f is the format specifier for the string. So if whatever the value we are sending into this particular str, that str to display we are using an percentages. So this percentages is the format specifier. If str has a hello world, printf percentages str would display hello world. So if you are percentage yes, what it will do, it will take the it will print whatever the values we want to display. Now let us see the other input output functions. The other one is getChar and putChar. So getChar is used to read the character from the terminal. So it is going to read a single character from the terminal. In the previous case, until we give a backspace, so one word, it will take one word, whereas printf scanf will take one word, whereas getChar will take only one character. So getChar is used to read the character from the terminal. It takes the following form: ch is equal to getChar. What is ch? Ch is a variable of character type, so it can hold only one character. Okay, here ch is a variable of character type. As a result of this, a character typed at the terminal is assigned to the variable ch. This can be used repeatedly to accept the line of characters. So suppose if you are applying this ch is equal to getChar in a for loop or in a where loop, by giving certain conditions, we can read as many number of characters until that particular loop condition is satisfied. So we can read lines and lines of data by using the loop concept. Whereas putChar, so putChar is nothing but it is the counterpart of the getChar. So this is for if we are using getChar, we are going to accept putChar, we are going to print the data. To print the data, we are going to use putChar. It is used to display the characters on the monitor, takes the following form: putChar of ch. So it will put character by character onto the monitor. So here I have given a small program. So stdio.h void main. So I am having a string whose size is maximum 20 and ch is just one character, int I. So str is a string and ch is a character. Enter the lines of characters. So I have accepted only one character. That one character is being put into ch. My initial value I am considering it to be 0. So while ch not equal to \n. So if I have not entered any space button or backspace button or null character button, then what it will do, it will enter into this particular loop. So my str of I, what is the I value? 0. So in str of 0, whatever the character I have entered, that value will be stored. Then ch is equal to get char. So now I am going to get my second element that will be going into the ch and I plus plus. Now I value will become 1, and my, if I am not going to enter any other except \0, if I am going to enter any value, and if this particular condition is satisfied, again it will come here, str1 will be placed with the character what I have entered. In this format, I can enter lines and lines of data into it. See here, I have shown an example. Enter the lines of characters. After that, ch is equal to get character. In that, I have entered m. So m is not equal to \n. Since m is not equal to \n, m is been entered. Then again y. Next, it has taken name. So until a new line \n, not \0. So here this space, this space is \0. So since it is not \n, it will accept that particular space also. It is also a one character on the keyboard. So next, NAME is space computer. So all this, once when I enter the new line button, it will come out of this loop, and here it comes to this. Printf, the line of characters entered is, the line of characters entered is, so I am displaying all the letters until it is \0. So my last string character is \0. So that's the reason until \0 is encountered, so it will display the values. So here it will display my name is computer. There is another third type of string input output function, that is getters and putters. So here the purpose of getters is used to accept the strings up to a new line character into a string variable. So here until it encounters a new line \n, what it is going to do is it is going to take the values into str. So it automatically appends the null character \0 at the end of the string. Once when you press enter key, a new line character, automatically in that particular, at that particular point of time, it will append with \0 to the end of the string. It takes the following form: getters of str. So the format for this particular reading the data, reading the string until a new line character is encountered, the format is this one, getters of str. So what it does, it enables us to accept a string up to a new line character into the str. If the given string is my name is computer, the entire string gets accepted by the str. Okay, now let us see the print command, that is putters. So the purpose of putters is to display a string contained into in a string variable. It also appends a new line character \n to the string automatically. So once after putting the character, what will happen? It will come to the new line. Okay, so it will not be in the same line, it will come to a new line, as a result of which the cursor is moved down to one line after the string is displayed. So putters of str. So here I have written a small program to explain this getters and putters. So character ch maximum characters what I can hold in this particular ch variable is 20. Printf, enter the string. So getters of ch. In ch I have entered NGI college \n. So next, once after accepting this NGI college, printf, the given string is %s_ch. So this %s is an string specifier. So the given string is at this particular %s, the ch value is NGI college. Once after entering displaying the NGI college, the cursor will come down, one line down. That we should note. So these are the three different ways where we can give input output. Now let us see some example programs. So let us see, I have given 8 to 9 examples for using these strings concept. Write a program to print the length of a given string without using string functions. So without using the string functions, how we can find the length of the string. So for that, I have taken a string whose size is up to 20 and integer value I and length is equal to 0. Both are integers. Printf, enter the string. Get s of ch. So until a new line is being entered, I am taking the values into ch of 20. So my ch will be getting, when I say get s of ch, the get s of ch will contain college followed by \0. So for I is equal to 0, ch of I not equal to \0, I plus plus len plus plus. So I have calculated the length value. Now here, so first character is C, second character is O, third character is L, fourth L, fifth E, sixth E, seventh E. So here totally there are 7 letters. So the length of the string is 7. So the length of the given string is 7. But the size will be ch of 8. Why this will be ch of 8? Because in ch of 8, we will be ch of 7, we will be having \0, null character. Now let us see, write a program to print the reverse of the given string. So one I am taking, 2 strings I am taking which are of equal size, whose length is 20, maximum size is 20. So length is equal to, initially I am considering the length value as 0. I have taken 2 integers I and j. Printf, enter the string, get s of ch. In get s of ch, I have taken the value as college. Now my college is in ch. For I is equal to 0, ch of I not equal to \0, I plus plus. So I have calculated the length. Now what will be the length? The length will be 7. Since my length is 7, for I is equal to 0, I is equal to length minus 1. So see here, length minus 1 is 7 minus 1 is 6. Why 6 means, see, here it is 0. This O is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So E will be in 6. Now what I have given? Reverse of j. What is j value? J value is initially 0. So reverse of 0 will have ch of 6. What is ch of 6? Ch of 6 is E. Now what I have done? I have I minus minus. Now I will be what? I value will be 5. And j plus plus. J value will be 1. So in reverse of 1, I will be sending the g value. In reverse of 2, I will be sending the e value. In this way, I have sent all the values into the reverse. So here, now once after entering all the values, I have entered the last reverse of 7 is equal to \0. Now the reverse of string percentage s is percentage s. So the reverse of ch means college and its reverse is EGELLCO. So that will be printed. Now let us see another program to detect the occurrence of a character in a given string. So the same letter, how many times it occurred. So initially what I have taken a string of size 20, yes, length is equal to 0, count is equal to 0 and enter the string. See, in the similar fashion I have entered the string and the string again is an college. Now I have counted the size of the college size is 7. For I is equal to 0, I less than 7, I plus plus. If ch of I is equal to s. So what is s? S is equal to get char. So here enter the character to be occurred. So I have entered L. So now I am counting how many times this L is there in this particular college. How many times it is there? It is there 2 times. So using this for loop, what I have done, I have incremented the count value. Whenever I see L, I have incremented count plus plus. So my count plus plus will automatically go to 2 and here it will display L occurs percentage D. In that percentage D count will be 2 times. So L occurs 2 times. write a program to copy a string without using string functions. So here I am copying one string into another string. So here I have taken two strings, string1 and str2. Sorry, here it is str2 of 20, not 2. Here it is a 2, str2 of 20. So the entered string is college. I have counted the length of the college. The length of the college is 7. So for I is equal to 0, I less than 7. Why I less than 7? Because the 7, it only the college will be till str1 of 6. In str1 of 7, it will be \0. So for each and every 0 at 0, for I is equal to 0, str2 of 0 will be stored with str1 of 0. That is, C will be stored with C, O will be stored with L will be L. So automatically when I am using the putS function, what it is doing, see, putS str2. So str2, since I have copied the string 1 into string 2, it is displaying college. Once after displaying the college, what it is doing, it is coming into a new line. So the second put as str1 will be displayed in the new line. After that, once after putting this value, the cursor will be coming to the new line. Automatically this will happen. Write a program to concatenate two strings without using string function. So I am taking two strings and I am combining these two strings. So here the maximum length of each string is 20. So str1 of 20, str2 of 20. This is a small blunder mistake I have done because of copying from that program to here. So please make a note that str1 of 20 and str2 of 20, my s1 value is 0, s2 value is 0, j is equal to 0. Enter the string. So first string what I have entered is hard, and the second string what I have entered is work. Now I am combining this hard and work. So hard and work, how I am combining, copying means I am copying hard into work, not it is not hard work, it is work hard. So here, see, once after reading the string, I have counted the length of the string. So here the length of the string is 4. In the second string also the length of the string is 4. So totally 4 plus 4 is 8. So what I have done is I have entered the string. See here, into string of 2 of 5, what I have taken? I have taken string 1. See, my I value is I is equal to S1. So what is S1 value? S1 value is 4. S1 value is 4. That is work after that \0. So S1 value is 4. Now into that what I am doing? I am adding the value of str1 of j. What is j value? J value is 0. So str1 of 0 is h. So h will be added to str2 of 4. Next, after that I have gone incremented I value and j value. Now my I value will be 5 and j value will be 1. So in j value is 1. So str1 of 1 is a. That a will be copied into here. So finally, once when I print str2, the str2 will print work hard. Then I am bringing str1. str1 is having hard. Only str2, string 2 is changing to work hard because I have concatenated the value into str2. So this is how we can concatenate two strings. Now let us see another program to compare two strings without using string functions, whether the two strings what I have entered is one and the same or not. So for the first string what I have entered is college, and the second string what I have entered is college. But if you can see here, college, collage, the spelling is different here. Instead of E, I have entered A. So both the strings are not equal. So they are not the same string. So here I have accepted the string 1, accepted the string 2. I have found out their lengths. Both their lengths are one and the same. That is, their lengths are 7 and 7. So the lengths are equal. Since if the lengths are not equal, it will display the strings are not equal. since the lengths are equal, it will come into this particular loop. For each and every I value, it will compare. So here my C value initially is 0. Now, once after identifying if the strings are not equal, so for first 4 letters, the value will be, C value will be 0. Only at the 5th element, E, here it is E and here it is A. So automatically both the strings at that particular value is not equal. The C value will be changed to 1. So if my C value is 1, it will print the strings are not equal. So the result here is strings are not equal. So this is how we can write programs. So thank you very much for listening to this particular session. And in the next session, we will continue the strings concept. We will see what is an array of strings and the different string manipulation functions and the programs using those string manipulation functions. Thank you very much for listening to my video. Thank you.